Radcliffe Line is boundary between? The correct answer is A. India and Pakistan. Who has been called Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? 250. Who was the first India woman to scale the Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. Gobar gas contains mainly? A. Methane. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? A. Pancreas. Arya Samaj was founded by? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Brahmo Samaj was founded by? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which Governor General was associated with doctrine of lapse? Lord Dalhousie. Who written the book India of My Dreams? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Nagaland. Saga Dawa is one of the biggest Buddhist festivals. In which one of the following states is it celebrated? Sikkim. The Purn Kumbh Mela takes place every years at one of the four places by rotation: Prayag, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nashik. 12. Name the annual fair of Rajasthan at which camel trading is a major event. Pushkar Mela. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? 6 months. Which state has the largest coastline in India? Gujarat. Fundamental rights were borrowed from which constitution? USA. Which of the following is not a cash crop? Wool. Laughing gases. Nitrous oxide. How many languages are recognized in India? 22. Sariska Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Rajasthan. Who is the present chairman of Rajya Sabha? Jagdeep Dhankar. Which of the following state of India does not share boundary with Bangladesh? Nagaland. Which of the following Ramsar site, wetland, is located in Andhra Pradesh? Koleru Lake. Which of the following part of India receives the first monsoon in summer? Western Ghats. Which of the following places is said to be cathedral city of India? Bhubaneswar. The famous rock garden is located in which city of India? Chandigarh. Where is Pushkar Fair held? Ajmer. Who has written the play The Post Office? Rabindranath Tagore. Who has written the book The Glimpse of World History? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? The Vice President. Two places in India, Rishikulia, Gahirmata, have become well known for egg laying by sea turtles. Which of the following major circles of latitudes passes through India? Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through Jharkhand. English is the official language of which of the following states? Nagaland. Name the national park which is famous for Asiatic lions. Gir National Park. Who is principal legal advisor for state government on legal matters? Advocate General. Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? Panini. Upanishads are books on philosophy. The Future of India book is written by Bimal Jalan. In which year Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred? 1919. What is the other name of Sahyadri Range? Western Ghats. Which river originates at Amarkantak? Narmada. Which of the following describes India as a secular state? Preamble of Constitution. The famous book Anand Math was authored by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The first Satyagraha campaign of Gandhiji started in Champaran. Who is the author of famous book, The Indian Struggle? Subhas Chandra Bose. The term Chinaman relates to cricket. In which of the following dance the story theme is always taken from Ramayana and Mahabharata? Bharatnatyam. Which of the following rivers does not drain into Arabian Sea? Godavari. Who among the following can remove the governor of a state from office? President. Which Indian received the Nobel Peace Prize after Mother Teresa? Kailash Satyarthi. What was the other name for Quit India movement? August Movement. Who gave the slogan, Do or Die? Mahatma Gandhi. Article 17 of the Constitution of India deals with abolition of untouchability. Which of the following river is not a tributary to river Brahmaputra? Gandak. On which lake is India's first and only floating post office located? Dal Lake. Where is the world's highest post office located? Sikkim in HP State. Who is Chief Legal Advisor for Central Government on legal matters? Attorney General of India. Hope this video is helping you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.